Welcome. Thank you for being here. Today's meditation is finding calm in the chaos. In this meditation, we'll use the breath to smooth your nerve system and help you to tune the state of the calm and tranquility. This practice brings about a balance, ease, and blissful relaxation to all layers of your being. Begin by laying down on your back. It helps if you are having some soft and cozy to lie on. Adjust yourself to that your spine straight. Place your hand away from the body, with your palm facing toward the sky. Legs are outstretched, and allow the generous space between your feet. Let your feet float out to the side. If it feels good to you, softly close your eyes. Move your jaw gently side to side and relax your tongue. Feel the skin on your face soften. Relax your eyelid and eye. Relax your right elbow, left elbows, and space between the elbows. Feel your body become heavy and relaxing. Feeling your body becoming heavy and releasing tension, allow yourself to fully support by the grounding beneath you. Relax your right hand thumb and the right finger. Relax your whole right arm as your chest, collarbone fold, and your shoulder become heavier, sinking deeper down. Relax your whole left arm, left finger, and left thumb. Listen to the beat of your heart. Notice the rise and fall of your belly. Relax your head. Inhale, fill yourself with the energy. Exhale, release. Find your rhythm. Breathe in deep. Place your attention onto the space just around your body and notice the temperature of the air. Feel the sensation space around you. Become aware of being aware. Begin to place your attention on all the space inside your body. Notice where you begin and end. Notice your inner landscape. Allow yourself just be. Feel what you feel. Visualize the space around your body. Notice how the empty space is alive with your energy. Begin to visualize a stream of different frequency flowing all around your body like a waterfall of energy. Observe the streams that you have tapped into today and what you have brought with you to your practice. Watch without judgment. Think of this like an energetic radio station, and you get to choose which frequency you want to tune into. Notice that flowing energy. Entwined stream is a stream of pure and perfect calm. Notice that flowing amongst this entwined string is a string of pure and perfect calm. And as you adjust your antenna to tune into this frequency, you begin to feel wave of calm roll through your body and smooth, softened waves rolling for the crown of your head to the tip of your toes. A deep calm, pure peace. Feel the waves roll through layer of your being. Allow your body soak with this wonderful feeling calm. You recognize this feeling, an instant memory of a time when you felt so incredibly calm. Soak in this sensation. Notice the stillness that arises. Soak up the blissful sensation that comes with this frequency of the calm. A tranquil place around you and within you. Breathe in calm. Breathe out calm. And then take a slow, fully deep inhale. From the top of your inhale, holding your breath in 1 second. And place your inner gaze to the space between your eyebrows. And then release. Let it all go. Be still and listen. Notice the shift that you have created. Soak up all this sensation. Good. Now start coming back to the room that you are in. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Twitch your nose. And blink your eyes open. Choose to carry this throughout your day and allow it to spill over those who need it. And knowing you can tap into this whenever you need. Just focus on your breathing. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.